Our friend and artist, Jenny, often air dries her clothes, and there's so many advantages to doing so. Not only are you saving energy costs, but if you're able to dry in the sun, it's such a good disinfectant, and your clothes and sheets smell so good. Jenny was kind enough to show us the 3 ways that she dries her clothes without the dryer. We'll join Jenny doing her laundry.
Here I am in my garage, and this is where I do my laundry. So the washing machine is there, and you see there are sandbags on top. This is to stop it from wobbling and shaking about, as it's quite an old machine.
Here you see king-size sheets and other whites washing with Savvy Green Laundry Detergent powder in cold water. Now that the spin cycle has begun, it's time to set up the line outside.
I'll show you how I dry my sheets on the line in the garden. We have a line that we can draw out and hook up.
King-size sheets need lots of length and support for the line.
I can pull out these sheets that I try and fold and in a certain way to help me put them on the line. These are my wooden clothes pegs. So I get together the ends of the sheets so that they clip on. With a handful of clips here, I'm clipping one there and moving along. The bottom sheet, which is the fitted sheet, takes a longer time to dry. Here I am with the top sheet, getting the corners before I try and attempt to hang them. But there's a certain technique that goes with that makes it easy. And I try and hang it so that part of it drops down in the front, as you can see, to catch the wind, if there's any wind, and that helps them to dry even quicker. So my pillowcase is next. Fine, they're all on the line now. So back in the garage, I have this rack where I hang shirts to dry, and they dry very quickly in the garage. It tends to be really quite hot in there. So everything dries, and it dries pretty well so that I don't really have to iron the shirts. And then outside for the smalls and the towels, I hang on this drying rack. But I put them on, I bring the rack inside the garage and put everything on the racks first, and then take them out into the sun. And everything dries within about an hour.
And in that hour, we know you'll be in your studio. Thanks for leaving us this nice little gift.
These are some of my paintings.
Thank you, Jenny, for showing us these 3 ways to air dry our clothes and sheets without a dryer.